Actually, sorry, keep going.
Q, you're a man, right? So you say. Like, if you have something to say or ask me, I'm here. Going to a woman and ask her in a corner, what that makes you? Like, I'm just...
Okay.
I'm breathing in right now. I'm trying.
Bad, man.
Like, if you have anything to say to me, always laughing. Dog, I'm just auto-cue right now. I'm serious.
Okay.
Because that has become a problem outside. Because I ask her, how, guys, what you were talking about? She say, no, we didn't talk about you. But I had my name.
Aibo.
You didn't mention my name.
I did mention your name.
But she said you didn't. That's what she said at first.
I said you are Jerry, I'm Tom.
But to me, it didn't sound like a joke like that.
Yeah, come on, dog. So you're angry now? You're really angry? You're not touch you for real?
For real.
I know, dog. Relax, bro.
Because the thing is, me, whatever that I always say to you, even with it, I never go too deep and say, that's what Q is like that. I say it when we are here.
Alright, dog, it's nothing like that, bro. We were making jokes. Aibo.
No, just, you know why I'm pissed about it? Because it's not the first time. You know, it's not the first time. Like she will come and say, oh, no, Q was saying this. The question is, why Q will say that to you, but me, I talk to Q every day?
Dog, we talked about the same thing we talk about. Even last night, we talked about it. You, Jerry, I'm Tom. What was the issue?
Yes, Jerry and Tom, when I'm with you here right now. That's okay. Not me and go and talk and bring a Tom to someone else. What am I expecting? What a character that person
bravo,
is
I don't know what you want me to say. The teeny, get dog. The teeny.
I'm just saying, like, if you have something, or even it's a joke, just talk to me.
We're chilling there with the tricks, we're smoking, we talk about a lot of things, bro. It's nothing that I don't ever say to you in front of your face and go, yiki, dog.
I never talk about you go yiki.
Exactly. So in donors and then bandam tricks ekoneni. Ngawe, bravo.
All I'm saying
what's gonna make me go talk with Trixie at a corner?
All I'm saying
about something that I've never said to you.
All I'm saying is that just if you have a joke or anything to say, I'm just saying it in a nice way. Just talk to me. That's all I'm saying. Just have an open conversation with me. If because it's not what you said. She said you said like I'm coming for you.
Don't I always say that to you?
It didn't sound like that to me.
Bruv, you're thinking too much about it, dog. It's not that deep, honestly speaking.
Okay, because now I'm just thinking we should not even joke at all.
So you're saying we shouldn't joke at all?
Yeah, because now you don't see the point of what I'm trying to make here.
So you're saying we shouldn't joke now?
Yeah, because now I'm trying to make a point of, look, if we are joking, let's joke here while I'm here.
But, brother, you're not always there. I'm at the corner smoking with Trixie, you're not there. I'm cracking a joke. You don't want me to joke around? Now I don't joke around.
Fair.
Then it's fine.
It's fair like that.
Okay, cool.
Because maybe it won't happen like I have this conversation.
Okay, guys. Now I'm cool with not joking around. If now you don't joke around.
I appreciate that.
Sharp.
That's what I appreciate.
So much.
Boy.
I just want to feel.
There's still a hot water there.